welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to open up a GoFundMe. And this video is going to be so easy, so please watch until the end so you know what to do. So first of all, we got to press on start a GoFundMe. Go to GoFundMe.com and I will provide the link. So GoFundMe.com, start a GoFundMe. And if you want to donate to GoFundMe's, go to GoFundMe and there will be like online like the current GoFundMe's like the fundraisings. So let's begin off your fundraising journey. They want you to tell your zip code. So I'm just gonna make it up. So I'm just gonna put this zip code, and we're gonna be talking about, let's say, environment. So we're trying to save the environments, which most of you guys want to do for sure. Who are you fundraising for? So it's gonna be for a someone else. So let's say someone else, because like let's say someone had a car crash and we're trying to save money. I mean, we're trying to get money to that person. So your starting goal will be $100,000. Let's put $100,000 since this guy has to pay the medical bills. To receive money raised, please make sure the person withdrawing has a social security number, a bank account, and mailing address in one of the 50 states. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be providing my SSN, but you got to make sure that your SSN is valid and also make sure to write a good product description. So let's make those names up. So we have to create an account. So I made an account with one symbol. So you have to create an account, and after you create that account, your account details are going to be here. And then you're going to press on continue. However, there's a glitch with my account, so give me a minute. And after you do it, it's going to ask you for your phone number. So I'm just going to put my phone number. So give me one more. And after your account is verified, you got to put a cover photo or a YouTube link. So let's put an example video. So I'm just going to be putting this video. So this is just an example, guys. Never do this. Never lie about GoFundMe, because if GoFundMe finds out that you're lying, your account will get shut down and it will become a huge trouble for yourself. So donate for help, help for kids, help for environments. So never lie about um, GoFundMe, because donors and a lot of people are getting in trouble for lying. So be careful. Environment is very important. And then complete fundraisers. And then after you do it, the fundraiser will be published. And this is going to be it for this video. So let me just say stuff. Complete fundraiser. And let's press on preview. Um, so I have just opened a GoFundMe for myself. So here's the link. And you can donate, share. So don't donate though. So it shows me the place where I live. It shows my name. Also, words of support are here. So the people who donated. And yeah, that's basically it. So you can either put a drag picture or a YouTube video. So that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.